Previously, we covered the topics of downloading R and R Studio and also a topic about the panels of R Studio. Now we are going to cover the topic of the working directory. We are diving into a key foundational concept in R programming. The working directory is the folder or location on your computer where R reads from and writes to by default. So type getwd, open brackets and close brackets, into your R console and hit enter. Look at the animation on the slide, so that will help you. R will tell you the current working directory. The setwd, open brackets and close brackets function allows you to set a new working directory. For example, you can follow the animation on this slide, and you will see that you can write setwd, open brackets, open quotes, then you write the path in your computer to that folder. Remember to use backslash instead of forward slash, which will set the working directory to the documents folder. Remember, changing the working directory is crucial when you want to read files from or write files to a different folder. Also, always double check that you are set the directory correctly. Otherwise, R will complain that it can't find your files. So get comfortable with getwd and setwd. Finally, I would like to advise you to create subdirectories within that working directory. Typically, this will help you to maintain your data organized. So one folder that you can create that will be very helpful is data. You will put your raw data in there and you will not modify that file again. Another folder is data output. There you will put all modified versions of raw data. So that will allow you to maintain your data intact. Another folder is documents, where you can put text files. Another one is Figures output or Figures, where you can put all the graphics created in R. And another one is scripts, where you are going to put all R scripts, which contains one by one all the orders that you are giving to the computer or to the with the programming language, and for different types of analysis and for plotting, for instance. So we make a pause here, and please set up your additional folders in your working directory. I will see you in my next video.